Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're attempting the V-part sleep back ponytails. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So today I'm not going to use any styling gel or wax of any kind. I'm just gonna use the wax sticks and a hot comb.
Fuck your mind up, waste time. I'm PONYTAIL, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, who waited line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy, you know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself. As murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts.
You can see how crooked my parting lines are. I was struggling, but then again I managed to pull through.
Around this people like not leave her out. You call this hopeless, not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. I've been wildin' too, not like you. So maybe I look like you. Maybe we ain't so different. Maybe I be tripping. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself.
I'm applying wax sticks again to make sure that my hair lays down. I'm going in with a hot comb to make sure that the wax sticks lays and then that there's no white cast. I'm going in with a rectal comb to further distribute the wax sticks on my hair and make sure that everything is laid, and then I will go ahead and using a hot comb to make sure that there's no white cast and that my hair lays down flat.
Nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up around me, nigga can't play when I'm coming for the kitty, got my folk goddamn. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now.
I'm using the back of my hot comb to make sure that everything lays down.
Young boys fear, I kill, never be killed.
For my baby hairs, I won't be using any edge control or any product. I'll be using the wax sticks that I previously applied.
Still getting ready in the function. Bitches on my dick like it's tough. Everywhere I go now, always got shit jumping.
I'm using the synthetic hair from the brand Accahh. They actually have good quality synthetic hair. I really recommend this company, this brand. So I'll be using a technique that I learned from Zolesa. You use the bobby pin and you hook or you feed it on your bundle, then you stick on your hair. Trust me, it won't move. This is the best method. I really recommend it. You should try it.
I'm your man, I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. No, hold no right.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spin without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
Open your mouth, you speak good to me.
almost 3 bundles out of the 6, so best believe this hair is full.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game just to watch how we ball.
And we are done. Thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate it.
If I was basic, would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. Wash it off when you tie me off, you know I be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Spin without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how breath is.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I haunt you don't mean I want you, I don't.